What's up, everybody? It's AI Spacor underscore Y here, and today I'm going to tell you how to become a very successful YouTuber like myself. Now, you see, YouTube is an art. It is like being the modern Da Vinci, or the modern DiCaprio, or the modern iCarly. It's not easy. You need. It's a real talent. It's a real precise talent. And you need to get it down to a pat. And I'm going to tell you how to do it because obviously I am a very successful YouTuber and I know what the fuck I'm talking about. One, you need to acquire a YouTube channel. Now you can do that by going to YouTube.com and signing in through Google or Gmail, and that'll work. That'll work just fine. Just do that. That's it. That's to step 2. You're gonna want to get a camera. I recommend the newest Red camera. They're pretty nice. Maybe the Red phone. Great. Just get something by Red. Not sponsored. I think they make very reasonably priced products, and you should definitely buy all of them. Step 3: make a vlog every fucking day. I don't care if you're vlogging your grandmother's funeral. Vlog every single fucking day. I don't care what it is. Vlog it. Don't care. Burn down your house. Burn down your neighbor's house. Burn down your mother's house. Burn down someone's house. And don't feel remorse, because guess what? Who's rolling in the money? You are, bitch. Step 4: don't edit. Now I'm contradicting myself. But you see, I don't want to be a successful YouTuber because I don't want to run it dry. I want y'all to be good for me. I want you guys to blow up. I want to just be the horse for the cowboy. I don't want to be the cowboy. I want to be the horse that carries the cowboy into the sunset. But I don't want to be the epic cowboy. You get me? Don't edit. Step 5: acquire the bag, the cold hard ad revenue. Now, we're kind of in a slump right now, so good luck with that. But you know what? You can still do it. You can make that YouTube money. You can get your family some fucking food on the table, because I know all you eat is ramen and hand sanitizer. So get that damn money. Step 6: make a misleading thumbnail. Misleading thumbnails are everywhere, and they're going to get you. They're gonna get you clicks. It's just as simple as that. You will get clicks. Obviously, pop a titty, put some red arrows, and put some other shit in there. I don't care what you do, but make it misleading. Make sure nothing that you say actually happens in the video. Step 7: don't make trends. Making trends is fucking stupid, and it's never gonna happen. Don't make a trend. Clickbait. Whatever is popular right now. I don't care if it was popular a month ago, because it's still popular now, but at a different age demographic. Clickbait Fortnite? Go ahead, still clickbait Fortnite. It's still somewhat relevant. Clickbait Super Smash Bros. Clickbait Johnny, yes, Papa. I don't care what you clickbait, but clickbait it. Get your damn views. Clickbait T-Series and PewDiePie. I don't care. Just clickbait. Step 8: abuse your attractive family members. Do you have a hot mom, hot stepmom, hot stepdad, hot dad, hot brother, hot sister, step, cousin? Don't care. If they are attractive, abuse them. Put them in a bikini and blur out the bikini, especially if it's a boy. Step 9. Okay, this one's a little complicated, so I'm gonna need you to listen up. Pause the video as you need. You need to take your sharpest knife you can find. Okay, and cut your wrists, cut them up. All up and down. Just cut them, fucking butcher them. Make a fucking hibachi out of it. Whatever hibachi, that's what it's called. Make a fucking hibachi out of it. I don't care. All right, now and take your blood and draw the YouTube logo, the triangle with the play button in the middle, and then the border around it. Make that. It's gonna be like your pentagram, and you're gonna wanna sacrifice an American long-haired black cat, specifically one of those. If it's any kind of other cat, you're fucked. No, American long-haired black cat. That's what you need. And sacrifice it to the YouTube demons, and sell your soul to Susan. Step 10. You're welcome. You did it. All step 10 is sit back, relax, and watch your ad revenue go up. Because guess what? And now you have the most successful YouTube channel in the history of YouTube channels. You are now the Honus Wagner of YouTube. You are now the most successful man on earth. Fuck YouTube. You are now richer than Jeff Bezos and Bill Gates. You are now richer than Apple. You are now money. You are just the physical embodiment of money. And guess what? Maybe you're not even the physical embodiment. You know what? You have so much money you could get a money transplant. So now all of your organs are made of money. But the thing is, if you don't give me a fucking shout out, I will copyright claim you and sue you for everything. So yeah, good luck. Godspeed. Night night.